This is the first installation of my square body crew cab duramax build. The truck is a 1987 B3500 crew cab, long bed, dually, all the right stuff. It's got a dually rear axle from a 3500 HD. It's got a Dana 60 front axle. The donor is a 2001 2500 HD. And that's an lb7 with an Allison 1000 5-speed. It's going to have a MP205 transfer case, custom drive shafts. It was a frame-off build. We painted it in-house. We are very close to starting it. We're about 75% of the way done with the entire build. It's been a labor of love, but the goal is to be done hopefully towards the end of April, because there's a large event called Diehards, and I'd like to use this to tow my CUCV that you've seen in other videos to that event and go off-roading for a few days, because my old truck that I've had for 10 years is showing her age, and it's time to, hopefully be able to take this. Because everything is fully rebuilt. Transmission's built, engine's built, transfer case is built, both axles, everything, front to rear, up and down. Anything you can think of, we've torn it apart and rebuilt it, and we're just about ready. So you'll see in this video a lot of clips from the last few months. We started August 1st was really the start date, and it's the last day of March today, so you'll see that, and yeah, and that'll catch you up. Enjoy the video. All right, let's get this door on. Okay,
Let's get in here. Set it down. Not set it down, but hold the level up.
Drop it. doors are on. All four. We need to do some more aligning, but for the most part, they're there. We're gonna go ahead and start putting the front fenders on. That way we can really see all the body lines all the way through. Good to keep moving while we're waiting on a few parts from